Welcome to the Build Your Skills Lines and Layers collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of essential, basic techniques on a training head. Each lesson will build your skill level and increase your understanding of the fundamentals of lines and layers. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Stacey Broughton demonstrates a one-length trim, a fundamental skill for absolute beginners, highlighting the importance of hand and scissor coordination and body positioning. In Lesson 2, Stacey demonstrates a medium one-length bob. The tutorial emphasises the disciplines of control needed to cut hair to one length, and is one of the first cuts a student must tackle and master. For Lesson 3, Tracey Hughes demonstrates a solid form or one-length haircut with a forward diagonal line. In Lesson 4, Stacey Broughton outlines a simple A-line long layered shape, starting with the interior shape first and working vertically from the front hairline to nape area. In the final lesson, Stacey demonstrates how to incorporate a round, layered shape, keeping length through the perimeter using elevation and over-direction. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Build Your Skills Lines and Layers collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Build Your Skills Lines and Layers collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, anytime.